Hi everyone, I am back. Now this video I have called Napkins Galore because it is all about napkins. Now I know in some of my other Aliexpress videos I have shown my Aliexpress hauls that I have showed some of the napkins. Now I'm probably done with buying napkins now because I have excuse me, a huge collection, so I've put them all together just so that you know, if you are interested in gorgeous napkins, I can show you the ones that I have ordered. You might be interested in ordering some yourself. There's a wide variety and they do vary a little bit in price, but I still think that overall they are much more cost effective than, you know, some of the shops over in the UK. So these are all from Aliexpress. There's a couple I can't find the prices for, but I'll put the links below if you want to go and get them and have a look. I'll see if I find the others. But let me show you all of these napkins because now I'm kind of done with buying napkins because I think I have quite enough, unless of course I see some that just jump out. So I thought I'd put them all together and show you some of these napkins. Now let me start with these ones because I've got prices. Those two I don't. Okay, so most of these as well are 20 napkins in a pack. These ones are £1.90, and a lot of them, the design is just repeated like 4 times, but you see that they are so colourful. I mean, look at that. How beautiful is that? I mean, you know, you can use that design 4 times from each napkin. So, you know, if you think about it, even if you just used one bit every time, that's 80 projects that you can do with these napkins. So they are definitely value for money, and they're very colourful. I mean, look at the colours on these, just so pretty. And if I'm honest, you know, when I go to the shops here, I don't really see many really pretty napkins. Occasionally you'll see the odd one or two, but very rarely, and I do find that they're quite expensive over here. So, you know, most of these are pretty reasonable. I mean, £1.90 for 20 I think is very good. I mean, they're not all that cheap, as cheap. These ones, the cat ones, £2.65. But look at these. I mean, if you haven't seen these in one of my other videos, these are just too pretty. I mean, look at these. Look, again, the design is repeated 4 times. And look at these little cute faces. I will be making some tags with this napkin later on in the week for my cat journal. That is a must. Oops, fold it the right way, Chanel, because otherwise it doesn't fold back. So those ones were, what were they? £2.65 for 20. And just look at the little faces. Very cute. These ones I think are the most expensive. They were £3.54. But they are beautiful, and I have used them to decorate some boxes, and they came out just beautiful. Again, the design is repeated 4 times. So I do apologise if you have seen these napkins, but I thought for those of you that are just stumbling across this video, you've got all of these napkins all in one video, so it might be easier. And I think, you know, also if you want to come back to this video, they're all in one. I mean, look at this one. This is really colourful, pretty. One of my favourites, this one. Just love it. So that was the most expensive at £3.54. Then we have these, which are £2.62. Let's have a look. And these are, if you're doing a travel journal, these would be fantastic with the Leaning Tower of Pisa and maps and postmarks or passport stamps. I think these actually are. Maybe, I don't know. But still beautiful for a travel journal. And then we have these beautiful flowers. This one I have not found the price for. So I do not know on these ones. I will try and find them, but if you can imagine going through like 500 items that you've ordered, sometimes it's hard. And I've got trying to get into a habit now when these things turn up to actually make a note of the price for you all. But sometimes I lose them and they get away. But look how pretty this one is. Just beautiful roses there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very pretty, look at that. And you don't just have to use them in journals. You could put them on the front of cards, boxes, decorate things, do your decoupage. These are £1.41. And these are really nice thick ones, these are. These have got like a texture to them. These are really lovely, actually. These have got like a, I don't know if you can see it, it's almost like a, I don't know what you would call it. But again, repeated 4 times. Just pretty. Lovely. I have more napkins now. Excuse me, than I actually need. I have given some away. Then we have this one. These ones, £2.12. And like I said, most of these I think are 20 to a pack. I've got one which have less. But I think it was only one. All the rest are 20. This one, very pretty as well, look. Lovely butterflies and roses and dragonflies. Just delicious. Look at that. I love the black and white, the monochrome. Isn't that beautiful? And then the green is just gorgeous. Lots of tags to be made, I think, with these. Then we have this one, which I showed in an early video today, £1, £1.55. And these are just like, where is the, how do we get into these? Oh, right, well, I don't know how to get into these ones, so I'll just go in this way. Oh, I made my own way of getting in. Right, oh, don't rip. So, again, repeated 4 times. Like so, and these are just the postmarks, the butterfly and the script. Very simple, but quite effective if you used to put that over a book page or something. And I have lots of these. Then we have these ones, which were £2.12. And these are very pretty as well. Very colourful. Oh, got 2 out there. And look at that. That's got like the... Oh, move over. Look at that. That is just... Look at that. How lovely. The dragonfly. And then this lovely script going on here. Look at the colours on this one as well. This is pretty. Look at that. Just delicious. Right, okay, so that's those ones. And then we have these ones, which were £1.66. And these ones are a little bit different in the way that you've got the little 4 squares in each one. So you've actually got 16 little squares that you could use on projects, or you could just use the whole big one. But look how pretty. Look, you've got the little bird, and then the flowers, the butterflies, and more flowers. So you could just use these little squares, these little tuck spots in a journal. Make little tags, put them on the front of a little square. Oh, that's what I could do. I'll measure that and make some little envelopes. That's a good idea. That's a project. Little envelopes for that one. These ones are £1.52. I want to get my envelope board out now. Oh, can you hear Charles? He's outside. He's been banned. He's been banned from the craft room because he makes too much of a mess. I'll let him back in later, don't worry. Look how pretty that one is. Very pretty. That would make a gorgeous corner tucks. Right, okay. That's 2 projects. A corner tuck spot for this one. And some little envelopes. Right, that's 2 napkin projects that I will do. I'm going to keep that one and that one out. Because I have them in my head. So, a corner tuck spot and little envelopes with that one, I think I'm going to make. Then these ones I can't find for prices. But look, this one, I don't think this one's, well, it is repeated. I won't get it out because you're probably bored now with napkins. But look at that. I mean, you look at that. You could just cut that bit out and put that on, or just the, oh my gosh, this one's pretty. And then you have these. Now, this is the only one that I think you only get 10 in a pack, but I don't know how much they were. So, I don't know if I'll find the link to those, but I would go for the 20 in a pack, really, because you get more for your money. So those are my napkins. Look at all these lovely, yummy napkins for your projects. So look no further. If you are looking for napkins, the links are below to get these. They are just lovely. And I will be doing some napkin projects very, very soon. Okay, right, I'm going to leave you with all these goodies, and I will see you all very soon. Oh, there you go, in shop. Take care for now. Bye-bye.